Hey, what up, guys? Back at it. Here we go. These are all recent hail damaged cars that we have. Check them out. I'm gonna go down the row. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's see. That's a rear bumper. 13, 14, 15. We're at 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 cars, guys. And I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna walk them each and try to see the damage. If you can see the dents and stuff on them, I'm gonna show you them now. Let me turn this bad boy around. There's all our recce's right over there. Let me zoom in on that for you. That's all the recce's right there, man. Alright. Employee parking lot. And there's my baby right there, that motherfucking beast. Turbo GSX, boys. Alright, but watch. I'm gonna park right here. And I'm gonna catch this right here. Show you what we got. Here we go. Starting. I don't know if you can see all that, guys. Man, that hail is wild, isn't it? Oh, yeah. That's 20 some cars I counted with hail already.
Yep. And that's not all. Because another one happened again yesterday.
Are you kidding me?
My house, it happened right in front of my house, and I was trying to go out and move my car. They hit me so hard, I had to run back in the house.
No, and it got your car. I'm assuming. No, not too bad.
I have a Honda. I have a Toyota Camry 2001.
Nothing. Good job. Good. That car is still built right then, and not all this light aluminum stuff. You know, this one's not too bad. I guess it's light. I really can't see it either. I see one dot so far. This one's really not bad, honestly. It's not like the other ones. I just see that one up there. It's not even along the sides or nothing like that either. This one's not too bad.
I was looking for the guy with the blue shirt.
Oh, the hail dude?
Guy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stop popping this trunk. I want him to look at the ones that can still, you know, when I knock this out, I wouldn't be able to get this one off.
Exactly, right?
I have to run this car. I just can't.
Yeah. No, because hail damage doesn't necessarily cause them a safety hazard.
It's not a safety hazard.
No, basically it's an appearance thing, and that's about it.
And trying to already stick at them.
Yeah, exactly. Put all the yellows on them, so that's good. Jesus, monkey, that's bad.
Some that are really, really bad.
Yeah, ping pong size, they said.
Yeah, I brought that one back.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, you can see it. Oh my god. That one is ridiculous. Yeah, they said Albuquerque hasn't seen something like that in, I think, 20 some years, if not longer.
There was a picture on KOAT.
Uh-huh.
You would think it snowed.
No.
But it was just
it's just hail. That's ridiculous. God, poor Tahoe too. Oh my god. Oh. And it's worse if you're driving at highway speed and it hits you that way.
You're going at it at higher speed.
Yes, then what is coming down? Oh my god. Yeah, I feel so bad for the ones that have the bigger panels like this, especially a long rooftop. That's bad. If you guys can see that, but that is bad.
Oh. No, I'm not taking that.
Right? Exactly. Gosh. Oh, man. And the Yoda. Yeah, that one got it pretty bad, too. Wow. Poor cars. Sorry for the video, guys. It got a little rocky there. Was interrupted. But that's all of them. It's bad. These are all brand new 2017, 2018 cars. Low mileage. back at it out here. We're gonna get all these taken care of. It's really not our business. We hire a crew out to come do it. Hail Dent Techs, paintless dent removal, PDR. They specialize in that. It's not hard. I got me a bag of tools that could probably do it, but I don't get paid that kind of money to do that. So back into the ride we go, boys. All right, man. As all if y'all can see all that, that's some craziness right there. Let me turn this motherfucker. It might get a little windy in here, but I need that AC, boys. It's hot as shit. Man, as you can tell, that shit is wild out here.